Theta United States dollar medium-term support basically remained at 92 cents, sort of genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking in a for the most part significant manner. The by and large certainly current exchanging volume of Theta organization especially most certainly is at $6,191,853, or so they basically in a real sense thought. Theta organization in every practical sense, sort of is as of now esteemed at 59 cents, essentially bears control Theta's entirely current cost activities in an unpretentious manner. 11 October 2023, in this video we will in a real sense especially walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now and generally in every practical sense, attempt to answer these habitually certainly in a real sense, sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what in every way that really matters. In a real sense is certainly transient cost expectation for Theta organization, certainly is Theta an extremely kind of wise venture, which for the most part most certainly is very huge, which by and large is very critical. Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on in an entirely significant manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging kind of profound into the Theta specialized examination, sort of generally let us for the most part in a real sense, discuss the really lovely current economic situations in an especially huge manner in an unobtrusive way. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there generally especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the kind of essentially whole cryptographic money market to $1,061,811,384,781, or so they explicitly for the most part thought in a kind of significant manner. The in every practical sense, genuinely complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $26,637,099,388 in a genuinely significant manner, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 50.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part certainly has a strength of 16.33%, or so they basically thought, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Which especially sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,246.02 level after a decay of 1.49%, or so they for the most part truly thought in a fundamentally huge manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value reduction of 0.87%, coming to $1,575.27 during the past 24 hours in a really significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.63, following a value change of 0.96% within a similar time span, which especially for the most part is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the actually by and large local coin of XRP sort of in a real sense is somewhere around 1.93 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, or so they basically thought, which generally is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a very by and large significant manner, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. These occasions entirely show that the market actually by and large is going in a sort of in every practical sense, descending heading for decently transient in a pretty exceptionally huge manner, which for the most part is very critical. Right now, an actually by and large broad certainly most certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a sort of exceptionally significant manner, so Bitcoin shares 50.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they basically sort of thought in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition fundamentally for the most part are significant specialized markers used to by and large really recognize decently commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they truly thought in a significant manner. Support in every practical sense basically is a level at which purchasers basically generally become all things considered substantially more kind of essentially dynamic and in every way that really matters, in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely truly further appearance, how Theta organization in every practical sense, all things considered, is by and by esteemed at 59 cents, certainly bears control Theta's entirely current cost activities, which in every practical sense is very critical. Similarly, opposition especially certainly is a level at which dealers especially in every way that really matters become move fundamentally all things considered dynamic and quite prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which especially is genuinely huge, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Following sort of really are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization. Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, generally basically is at 59 cents, down 0.81% in the decently genuinely beyond 24 hours, and quite has a value change of 4.99% throughout the week, which is genuinely critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally sort of is 6,191,853.00 United States dollars, while fundamentally complete market cap came to $590,196,898 United States dollars, which actually most certainly is very huge, so the by and large especially current exchanging volume of Theta organization especially truly is at $6,191,853, or so they basically in every way that really matters, thought in an unobtrusive manner. They're in every practical sense, in a real sense are very nearly 1 billion, generally are available for use out of 1 billion, which actually for the most part is genuinely critical, which essentially is genuinely huge. Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Examination for 11 October 2023, inside a very fundamentally day-to-day time period, especially essentially made sense of beneath, which sort of generally is very huge, showing how yet prior to jumping profound into the Theta specialized investigation. Sort of especially let us for the most part truly discuss the pretty especially current economic situations in an essentially enormous manner in a very significant manner. We utilize kind of commonly relative strength index RSI, moving entirely normal assembly and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including actually especially straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving pretty especially normal, EMA, to in a real sense, break down the future development of the Theta organization. Which truly is genuinely critical, which sort of is very huge. The Theta United States dollar moving especially normal combination and dissimilarity MACD marker in every way that really matters explicitly is demonstrating and in every practical sense. Especially present moment by and large fundamentally sell extremely kind of sign as the MACD line sort of explicitly is moving underneath, sort of beautiful sign line which essentially generally implies essentially bears all things considered, sort of are overwhelming on the lookout, which basically in a real sense is genuinely critical incredibly. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and certainly is attempting to in every practical sense generally break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking in a very huge manner. The Theta organization sort of for the most part has basically in a real sense break all its generally for the most part upholds levels and things in every way that really matters, certainly are not looking excellent for the crypto market in an unpretentious manner, further appearance how yet prior to jumping all things considered, profound into the Theta specialized examination. Sort of let us for the most part generally discuss the pretty extremely current economic situations in an exceptionally sort of large manner, which fundamentally is genuinely huge.